Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. I am so excited because Mark and I are going on a staycation. We'll actually be staycationing, I think, by the time that you watch this video. Today I'm going to show you everything that I will be packing, not necessarily wearing on the trip because you guys know I'm an overpacker. But I'm going to be showing you everything that I'm going to be packing, and then I'm also going to just share some travel tips, and I guess not travel tips, but like packing tips, and how I like to pack and how I like to stay organized while packing. Thank you for watching this video in advance. Thanks in advance, I guess. And make sure that you are following me on all of my social media channels. We are so close to 10K on Instagram, like so close. Make sure that you subscribe, follow me on TikTok. Just hit up all the places, okay? So let's get to it. If you guys don't already know, I am from Sarasota, Florida. It's a beautiful place to live. It's also a beautiful place to vacation, so I'm really trying to take advantage of that. Mark and I will be going to Lido, not Siesta Key. I know everybody knows Siesta Key from the MTV show, but we'll actually be going to Lido Beach, which is nice and a lot quieter than Siesta, so I'm really excited about that. It's right on St. Armand's Circle, so we're going to be eating lots of good food, walking the beach, tanning. Wow, it just... Guys, I'm so excited. Get me out of here right now. Like, let's go. One more thing before we start this little try on, I want to let you guys know that everything that I'm going to be talking about, whether it be clothes or travel stuff, is going to be linked in the description and a corresponding blog post, so you can find them all down there. Everything that I'm going to be trying on, and actually everything that I'm pretty much going to be talking about, including what I'm wearing now, is so affordable. So, click that link in the description and get you some cute pieces. This is the first bikini that I'll be bringing. It's from Forever 21. The top was $12 and the bottom was $12, and they're always running sales, so I guarantee you can probably get it for less. I just put a little scrunchie, an orange scrunchie on my wrist. I don't know if you can tell really well, but it's pink and then oranges on top. It's a very light pink. The coverage in the back is minimal, but that's okay. I like that it has the high leg right here, so it's cut like a high leg, and then it's also cut high-waisted. So I just think that it's really flattering. It has the clasp in the back, and it's very comfortable. It's also padded, but the pads can be removed. This next bathing suit is definitely a bit more modest. It's from the Pink Lily boutique. I like how it draws the attention here. It makes this area look longer. It also has fuller coverage in the back with an open back. The ruffles are so girly. It does have pads. They are removable. This one is also affordable, and I don't have many things in yellow. It also comes in a peach color, but I like the yellow. This next bathing suit is from ASOS. I actually love ASOS for so many reasons, but I think the main one is that they have petite sizing, they have regular sizing, they have tall sizing, they have plus size sizing, and they have maternity sizing. So they really have something for everybody. I got this bathing suit in a ASOS petite small. Looking back on it, I'm between a small and a medium, and I feel like I should have sized up. I still like the way that it looks on me, but it's just like a little snug. But overall, I like this cut. I think that it's really flattering. The back is cheeky, so I'm just not going to show you. And it doesn't come with pads, but I think this might actually be my favorite out of the bunch. This look is next up. This is going to be like my beach cover-up. It's an MTV top. It's sort of vintagey, I guess. It's from Amazon. Super affordable. I'm wearing it with a shell necklace, Pura Vida bracelets, and these sunglasses that I got from Lulu's, just something different. I also clipped up my hair. I just think this is like a nice casual hair look, and I'm good to go. Okay, this outfit is such a cutie. It is so girly. The top is ASOS Petite again. I do think the sizing fits well on this. I'm wearing a small, and the brand is Topshop, I believe. These shorts are from Lane 201 like 2 years ago, so I'll try and link something similar. I'm also wearing my Kendra Scott necklace and these Madewell rainbow arc earrings, I guess, from Nordstrom Rack. They were super affordable, but I can already picture myself eating some ice cream from Kilwins in this outfit, and it's making my mouth water. Like, I am so excited to get going on this trip. This would also be like a cute summer, just like date look if you're looking for one. I almost totally forgot to show you the shoes that I am going to be wearing with this outfit. I wish there was a better way for me to show them. They are so adorable, only $22 from Boohoo. This might honestly be one of my favorite looks. I love how it's so simple. I love a black and white look, and I feel like the bag just adds some texture. So this top is ASOS. It's not ASOS Petite. I'm just wearing a regular small, very comfy, fits true to size. I'm not wearing a bra with it. I just don't like to wear a bra when I don't need to. So the skirt is Princess Polly. It's very, very comfortable. The bag I'll have to link. I think it's on Amazon. And then I got these earrings from the Fashion Spot Boutique in St. Pete. This is a girly little top from Pink Lily Boutique that I am pairing with one of these bags. I'm slipping on the name, so I will just have to link that for you. But this is just a casual little girly look. I feel like all of my looks for this trip are either really beachy or really girly, which I like. I hope that you like it too. I am wearing a small in this top. It fits true to size. It's really nice. And I'm wearing a Kendra Scott necklace that dips down. This is a Pink Lily romper. It is so great because first of all, it's really comfy. Second of all, it looks like a dress. It has this wrap waist to make your waist look smaller, but it has the benefits of a romper, so it's really nice. It's actually a good length too. It covers the whole bum area. I am wearing it with these Michael Kors wedges, and I'm pairing it with this little purse here, available on Amazon too, and my movement sunglasses and some simple hoops from Urban Outfitters. So I am wearing a medium in this. It fits very comfortably and I love it. This is the last dress that I am going to be trying on. Actually, the last thing that I'm going to be trying on, and it just fits like a glove. It's from Pink Lily. I'm wearing a size medium. If you're petite, you have to get this. I think it comes in 4 colors. It just fits me so well. Usually a small person with like a little bit of curve can't really find something that like fits everywhere in the right places. And so I'm just really, really happy with this. I also love this peach color. And then I'm wearing my Steve Madden heels. Yeah, the Steve Madden block heels. I am back in my comfy clothes, and boy, let me tell you, the lighting in my house is like not the greatest. So I have lighting for when I do videos, and if it looks like I'm sweating, I am. It is so hot in here. But I'm excited to show you the next part of this video, which is just like packing things that I use that help me pack. I probably could have said that better, but here we go. This is my favorite little carry-on suitcase. I bring this everywhere that I go. I think that it is so nice. It also is hard. It's the Reaction Kenneth Cole in rose gold, which you guys know I'm like a pink rose gold girl. So I love this. I'm looking for like the bigger one too, which they have available on Amazon. But one thing that I have to tell you guys is don't spend a lot of money on your luggage. Don't do it. There's so many options at TJ Maxx. I got this at TJ Maxx for I want to say $40. So just like wait until things get to TJ Maxx. Like the bigger size for this, I'm just waiting until it gets to TJ Maxx so I can get it. But definitely recommend this brand. The next thing that I will recommend is this Land's End bag. I have mine monogrammed. This was actually one of my Christmas presents. My mom gave me 2 of these, and it's so, so helpful. It's good for like just an overnight weekend trip with your gal pals, or honestly just like throwing anything in here. I put a lot of my clothes for photo shoots in here when I go take pictures, and it's very durable. Love this like canvasy material, so 10 out of 10 would recommend. These packing squares are amazing. I could not live without them. I could not be organized and pack without them. I mean, so they come on Amazon. I'm just gonna show you one, but I think they come in a pack of 8, and they also come in pink too. So they expand like this. You put your clothes in them. I suggest rolling your clothes, and then you just zip it on up, and it compacts all your clothes. And they just fit nicely in your suitcase, and then so whenever you get to where you're going, you can just take that packing square and put it in a drawer. So it's really, really easy. This is one of my all-time favorites. It's what I hang in the bathroom anytime I go anywhere. It has this little hook. It's a nice big toiletry bag that I also fit some of my makeup in because it's so big. It's available on Amazon and it just folds right up into this handy dandy little carrying case. Last but not least is this jewelry case, which is so helpful because my biggest pet peeve, one of my biggest pet peeves when I'm traveling, is when I need a piece of jewelry and it's all tangled up with the jewelry next to it. So these are little hooks for your necklaces that you hook up and then you slide each necklace into a different pocket here. Has this flap for like bigger earrings or watches. It has an earring tab, a ring tab. There's seriously so much room in this thing. Again, available on Amazon. Okay, ladies and gents, that's going to be all from me this week. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed filming it. Make sure that you put your Instagram post notifications on for me because right now I hope that I'm posting some premium staycation content, so definitely check that out. Keep up with my Instagram, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to make sure that you get a notification every time that I post. So make sure that you are following me on all channels so we can stay connected, build this community, and thank you for watching. I will see you next week. Bye.